Okay, this is the layout for the second part of Project 1. This is Project 1.2, where we're going to be looking at the value of each color. So we're just going to make a grid here centered on the paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 boxes that way, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 that way. All right, so I have, again, this schematic will be a part of the PowerPoint for the project, so you can refer to that as well, and I'll be doing this here on this video. So how I have this laid out really is all you need to do is create a rectangular box first, right? So come down 3 inches and I make a line straight across. Again, this is your 14 by 17 paper. This is an 18-inch ruler that I have. Any ruler would work to do these measurements. All right, we come in 2 inches this way. Make another line. You can always erase your lines as you need to. 2 inches from the bottom. And 2 inches from the side as well. And as you can see, that's 13 inches. So all we need to do, these are all 1-inch boxes. Just keep going across every inch. Come down to the bottom, do the same thing. Connect those lines. Do the same thing now, remembering these are also 1-inch boxes, right? So you just keep going. Same thing on this side. Connect those lines. And we'll be done. And there we have our gridded rectangle in the center for Project 1.2, the color value match.